Hey, what is up everybody? This is Jason with devslopes.com, and in this video we are going to move down our landing page and we are going to create this section here with these three skateboards in it. Alright, so when I look at this, I just kind of see it as an image splitter, splitting one section from the other. So let's go ahead and hop right into it. So this is what we're working with, and we are going to make it look way better. So what we're going to do is inside our modules, what I want you to do is create a new partial, and we're going to call this image splitter .sass. All right, and this is going to be a very simple module here, and let's go ahead and include it in our directory here. And this is image splitter. Perfect. So we are just going to put a simple class in here which is going to help organize the content that's inside. And if we jump over to our HTML, this is the new container that we're working with. So we have this splitter container, and we're going to have to go into our containers partial in layouts and create a class for this. We've already got a class for our container. And so what we really need to do is simply work with the image list and then the image item. Alright, so let's go ahead and just knock out this image list while we just created this module. So inside here, simply grab the class. Okay, and then what we're going to do, this is going to be a little bit interesting, but I promise you I have played around with this, and this is what's really going to help us organize the content in here. So we want zero margin from the top. We want negative 20 pixels from the right and left, and then negative 40 pixels from the bottom. And then below this, we just want to make sure that we set the padding to 0. All right, so this little image list container, we just want to make sure that the padding's 0, and then we're using these margins to help position things inside of it. All right, so we have that saved, and we're going to come up to our container and create the container. I think it was the splitter container. So splitter container. All right, and then let's pull up these style properties here. So what we're going to put inside of here is we're going to give this a padding of 40 pixels from the top, 0 on the right and left. I guess 40 pixels top and bottom, 0 right and left. All right, and then we're going to add a background color, and we are going to make this our base light. All right, cool. And then one more thing, we're going to take these images and we need to put them in the center of this container. And we can do this by adding a text align center. Cool, so let's check this out now. So give the browser a refresh, and you can see that we've added this light gray color to the background of the container here, and then we've put our skateboards in the center. So the last thing that we need to do is we need to take each one of these images and give it some space. So let's dive over into our text editor, and we're going to do this with images, okay, in our image partial. And we're just going to grab the image class that is on that element. So it's going to be image item. And what we're going to do is we're going to give these a display of inline block to help these things line up. They're already doing that, but this is going to help them line up a little bit better because we're putting it directly on the image itself. And then we're going to give this a margin of 0, 30 pixels, and 40 pixels. So we're saying that we don't need any margin on the top. We're going to give it a margin of 30 on the left and right and 40 at the bottom. All right, and then the last thing we're going to do is give this a vertical align of center, of middle. And that'll help these elements line up within the wrapper that we've put these in. So let's make sure that everything has compiled, and it has. And then let's toggle back over here and give it a refresh. And there it is. It's coming along great. So we added that light gray background, and we've taken our images and moved them around with some margin, added some padding around it, and everything is looking fantastic. That is a wrap for this lesson. Let's move on.